What is it?
Yeah, I was thinking about the one with the.
So many people.
А işte
I feel like I've seen this room before in movies.
really?
This red one. Yeah. Oh my god, look at the ceiling.
Oh wow. This one is like so famous.
This one?
Oh my god. That's actually amazing.
That one, right?
Yeah, with the French
Yeah.
flag. Every painting that we saw on the.
So it keeps on getting better.
Это всегда очень страшно. Свобода начнется свобода.
Oh, isn't it where we arrived?
I don't know.
But I see.
Yeah, that one I've seen too.
Really?
Yeah, in school. You did it on purpose. This?
Because if you go up those stairs, back to the window tree, you see this.
We went that way, right?
You have another tour today?
No,